Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Ballenger Creek local and long distance movers near me. If you need to move from Ballenger Creek to a neighboring state like Pennsylvania or even across the country, 3 Movers is here to help. With our comprehensive long-distance moving service in Ballenger Creek, you can plan and prepare for your move without worrying about unreliable movers. Our long-distance movers are fully licensed and insured, and we offer affordable rates for long-distance moving, no matter how far you're going. So don't just trust anyone with your moving job in Ballenger Creek. Local movers in Ballenger Creek from 3 Movers take the hassle out of the moving process. We offer reliable service, guaranteed moving dates and arrival times, and transparent pricing for all local moves in Ballenger Creek and the surrounding areas. So move across town with less stress and fewer headaches. 3 Movers is always standing by to serve you, and get an online free quote now. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Ballenger Creek moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.